Okay, Joshua coming to you from here in Mission City in the lower mainland of Vancouver. We're about a half hour from Vancouver where the Olympics are taking place. This is the second part putting together the H7 relocation platform, and we're going to start with the center here. The no legs in the center. Okay, so we have a 2 and a 2. Actually goes together quite fast. Each one of these panels is equal to 12 square feet. There's a 3. This is your plywood interlock system. The beauty about this is that an H7 will actually break down to form an H3. So you can just envision the triangles. Now put your triangle sections in here, right? Around here, that'll give you an 8-foot base, as opposed to an H7, which is a 12-foot base. Okay, next one. There's a 4. And this is just made out of 5/8 fir plywood. You make it for real. Nope. These pieces fit more than just one way together, so what we're doing is rotating around the center. We need a 5. There's a 5. Starting to get large here. Here's the number 1. And for the last one, get the splitter open a little bit. Okay, cat. Let your deer hop on the table. We'll just tighten this up. Now we're ready for the triangles. Still a little bit loose. And I'm going to modify the H7 plywood interlock system to use a full panel here, locking system instead of the primary and secondary locks. The reason I went to this shape is that when you cut out, if this was a sheet of plywood, your hexagonals actually make up 3/4 of your plywood, and that leaves you 25% waste. And that's not waste that I've used to design these panels to where everything is used. And but if I change the designs, then the locks would have to be cut out of a separate sheet. That'll simplify it. Okay, let's get our triangle pieces here. Remember where these go. This is number 1. Hard working on the flat here. 3. Number 2. Let's get some light on here. A little better. Number 3 back here. Clear here. Let's rotate to the table here. And this is number 5. And everything fits here. So you got 12 square feet times 9 panels. That gives you your overall. If your sides are 2 foot on the scale, you multiply that by 3 to give you 6 foot sides. That's for an H7. If this was an H2, you multiply the sides by 2 and it give you 4 foot size. Just checking the time. Okay, we got time to complete this. These are your half rounds. We'll start with number 5 here. You notice that you got locks on 3 of them. I'm going to have to put these locks in here. This is your rounds. And they just snap in. And actually lock everything into place. We're going to have to work in this direction. So we need right here. It already has the center lock in there. Come on. Getting heavy. Need a 3. Lock here. Something's not right. No wonder it didn't fit. Need to change this one out. On a 5 instead. Here's our 5. On a 4. There we are. And now it works. 3 more. So this will finish out to a 12-foot base. And you got your edging on there already for your wall. We're going to have to stop here, come back in part 3.